Ladies and plenty men. Wagwan. So we're gonna run a one ups. Run a BaddaDan in a night, yeah. So it is the plan. We're gonna make the soldier them going from the back. And make them come up and whisper the dancer keep from the back. Because them in them camouflage so easy for them blend themselves with the surrounding and just come up on the board them. Then we're gonna make the SWAT team and them now going from the front. Because them have the bulletproof chuck and thing. Then we, the rest of patrol team, are gonna go in at the area. Through Miss Puncy yard, she have a trappy. We're gonna drop you out right a little bit below where the sound box them put up in a dance. So by the time the soldier them close in and the SWAT team close in, and we move in through the trappy them, everybody's supposed to get corral nice and easy. What do you say about that? Sound good?
Listen up, people. I want to take note to you know. It's a BaddaDan them ends we are going pan. So more than likely, get them boy there go well strapped down and shot might fire. So I want to prepare yourself mentally and physically for going to that place there. For wet up some can pan them anyhow. Any one of them missile for try fire any shot pan any one of the officer them. So now just make sure so and prepare yourself for battle or my son.
Yo babes, you're not ready yet. And where you around there put on so long? You must see around there put on corset and girdle and all these things. I just want a little street dance around the road so where I make a quick step go and come back, you know. See, you know, if I just up and I do all of these things, I do makeup, eyelash and all these things like you want to outdo every girl around there.
Brandon, you know how them little girl they love chat and look by you know. You feel like some I make any one of them out dress me when time I touch the road with my nice clean man. You could have bright.
Back your mouth, make you say Ashley. You think easy. Anyway, all up and get just man. But the others I see then I blame Bill and we buy you. Yo, my bad brother BaddaDan, where you going with me? Just to make you know so there I get ready, you know, so we soon make the step come round upon the ends that come link you. How the party looks so far. No whole heap of people around there. How the ends look? It pack up or what? What go on upon the ends there?
The ends well proper man, and where I say man. Whole heap of people in a place already man, and more for forward. Beer fish are fry and chicken are fry and music are play and everybody there around you. A whole of one joy. I just yo way I wait pan for step in pan the end so we can finish that one reasoning there from early around. Where you say you soon forward.
Yes man, we soon forward in my bad brother. We soon forward man, I just Ashley there take long for get ready. I don't know the girl them deal with them things still. So I just she me there bill and I wait pan and then I go make the step.
Yeah man, me don't know them flex them man. Where I say man. But anyway still I say I would man. Anytime you reach close by, just ring my phone man. I go send tuggy and shot foot out on the front. If you come walk here in and make sure say everything proper on the ends. Where you say man, just make me know when time you are forward, you see it.
Father God, the moment there I wonder why Miss Puncy would I get a vision like that about Brandon. Then I understand. I really don't understand what kind of vision that. I mean, know to my heart say Brandon no mix up. We just walk and listen to me, you know, and stop go around that place to go link the boy there with them called BaddaDan, you know. Because BaddaDan, as your name suggests, is always up to no good. That boy, from him born me, yai and me, you just see badness print out on my face. Brandon, I will pray for you wherever you are. Father, Dad, cover my son.
Yo, my bad church, Tuggy, where I deal with.
We are going with the sharpshoot. You know, we just there still go and build from the ends. By the way, they go pick up the one client there from over Bilox's yard.
Yeah, man, where I say, man, bad boy, man, we have the tool for the trade, man. Where I say, man, work you need. You don't know what to say, main receipt to show you how me meat.
One thing about you in a shot foot, you full of argument, you know. You need to leg of the badness thing and go join the comedy bus. Probably like get a big boss over this side, be friendly. But put fun and joke aside, Steve. Stand by, stay close, cause you don't know, so we just there now. I'll go and wait upon the general if I just give the go ahead.
Yo, Shotfoot, yo, Tuggy, one a deal.
We're there now, general. We're there, man. We're just there. Go and wait for you for just give it a go ahead for go deal with us, man. Be shunned the way I tell you for dealing it.
Yo, bad people, here where I go on, you know. But just get a link from the boy BaddaDan, you know. That's it. So him tell me, say him soon forward up on the ends. So me just make him know, say the two are got the out on the front. So when him reach close, him for just give me a link. And then me I can just link on escorting me on the ends. So here what I go on, you know. Yeah, so when him give me a link, me I go ring Tuggy phone. Hang up, so you gotta get a drop call in a Tuggy. So make sure say you have your phone on vibrate, so when you hear the drop call come in, you don't know say him they close. So you just ready up on yourself to just complete the mission. Oh my son.
We ask them when the general man I easy one to that man. We ask them man furthermore I make sure I take over the phone and I want to make sure say the phone the pan vibrate so I feel it when time the drop call come in. We ask them on the general man, we have that lax and a worry head man I gotta deal with.
So yo, Tuggy, on a big man levels though, you're still not finding out a war go on between the general and BaddaDan, or I'll not make you want to flick him back like that in our streets.
Lauren a shot foot, I must me to tell it from a time still in a seminar that two question of the general saying from the general say BaddaDan but forget flick. BaddaDan but I got just get flick. I'm right, now so it there. Is it. But I really made stay where I just said you know. Cause the two man them good me not really know what go them. I mean I got even to question nothing. But just there wait on the job call from the boss. And as them pull up, we just fold them up. And I hate that.
Okay then, now that everybody understand the briefing and what each person is supposed to do, team, let's move out.
John Ashley, you look good enough, my baby. You know, say sometimes I really have to ask God how me one gets so lucky if you have one of the hottest thing them on the block. If you call my girl, Jaja, Ashley, me nah lie. You put yourself together, you look good, my baby.
You go on, man. What a way for your mouth, sweet.
Anyway, baby, forward, I can make the step go down on the ends there right you know.
Oh, Father God, you see the situation and you know the danger where BaddaDan I go walk going on at the night, yeah? Please, Father God, please don't make nothing happen to him.
Ashley, baby, what happened to you? How your face just changed, so how your demeanor just looks so awkward. I want to you. You worry about something?
No, BaddaDan, me not worry about nothing, but me not lie still. For your mother call and me hear the conversation there, it just threw me off still. And I just wonder why she would have called and I give you a warning like that. You not feel strange about it?
No, sir. What am I worry about? You don't know, sir, so my mother statement. My mother always get her like a vision them from her old friend them, and she just always overreact. But not naga, man. We're good, man. Remember, say our black this with the pan now. Yes, we're born and growing. My boy now come violate the ends now go on with nothing around this far BaddaDan them there. Me and you know, sir, from with the run BaddaDan, we're safe.
Stay there go and talk about from you there around BaddaDan, you're safe. I truly may even know what BaddaDan a plan for the and I care. And I can't either come straight out and tell an either because I know where you find out some name BaddaDan they do not know when time they are firing. Boy, Father God, please, me I trust you for deal with that one to make. Don't make nothing to BaddaDan.
Yo, my bad brother BaddaDan, what go on? You know, so I just get a call from such man and say, yo, the party a shell around the right, you know. But anyway, because I'm there, I know, say, me actually I walk a commune on the ends right, you know, so I can link up Tuggy them on the front and make them know, so me a forward, is it?
Yeah, man, how you say, man, around here go on well festive, man. Whole heap of food I eat, liquor I drink, and beer, girl I wine up them skin. Watch how you one burn you walk with your girls to your neighbor. No, say you must bring us and come on the beach because right now the beach festive. So yeah, man, another call a shot foot there and make them know say yeah forward in on the ends and out for your sky to come on each part. We there. So you don't know say head back protected.
Yo, shot foot to know some will just get the link from the general. The boy BaddaDan supposed to dep on him way right now. So just make sure say the tools to the trade ready up running and gunning. I don't know, so once him approach, dirt settings.
Away I say man, tuggy man up and gunning. Ready, right now my chida finger they are jumped like when time you could put me a play up scotch. Ready man, what I say?
Yo, shot foot. Look down the road there, so. The little object then I look like BaddaDan forward up the street here. But again I shout them real quick saying no sir over, yes sir with it sir over, yes sir for forward. But hold on there. A little object that we are walk beside of BaddaDan that no look like in Galaxy man. But the general BaddaDan never told me say Ashley and BaddaDan apart. Judge a star. I know where the will go that one you know because we can't make Ashley know say how we built BaddaDan.
A BaddaDan or Mingalius. You know, see a BaddaDan and the girl Ashley that can walk a come. Where I say you know how for deal with this. A simple 1 tree, we just lick with Ashley to and call it a beer. Cause we have to deal with the dirt like what the general say.
Shot foot away I said, lick with Ashley. You're mad. Saying I know say general I beat it on the side. I general lick with tools on the side, so BaddaDan never to know where I go on, but the general I beat it so we can't to lick it with. They got short the general still and find out where my deal with that is concerned before I call the boy BaddaDan over here. Real quick. Yo, my general and BaddaDan, what go on? You know, say I'm the boy BaddaDan alone, me say I walk, I come up the street, dude. I'm on the girl, Ashley, me say I walk, I come up the street. For sure, I don't know the little history between the two on the stage. I never to know how she approached the one end of my G. So, I just want the green light from you still. We just do the do. Because we can't left no witness when time with Derek BaddaDan. So we say for going on my boss.
Yo, Tuggy, we really a call man phone board, man. We are talking about jail business. Mr. BaddaDan forget Derek, same forget Derek. So if you have a liquor girl to you just liquor girl to after win a business board girl. You know, say I saw the badness set. We are talking about youth. Let's go do the do, man.